Hello students, welcome to my channel Happy Kids Classroom. Today we will see the chapter 6 Animals and Birds of from Raindrops grade 1 English. Okay, so let's begin. Animals and birds. Look at these pictures. There's a dog, a rat, a duck, a sparrow, a hen, a cat, a donkey, a crow, and a frog. Which of these are animals? Point them out. And which of these are birds? Point them out. So let us see which are birds and which are animals. Okay. So let's begin. So a dog is a animal. A rat is also animal. A duck is a bird. A sparrow is a bird. A hen also is a bird. A cat is a animal. A donkey is an animal. Crow is a bird. And a frog is animal. Okay. So ये animal क्या किसे कहते हो? Bird किसे कहते हैं? समझ में आ गया? Okay, great. So next exercise. Let's try this. You have to match the pictures. Okay. So let us match the pictures. Okay, let's begin. स्पैरो कहाँ है? स्पैरो के साथ मैच करना है. हॉर्स यहाँ पे है, हॉर्स के पिक्चर के साथ मैच करना है. स्वान स्वान यहाँ पे है, इसको यहाँ पे मैच करना है. कैट, हियर इज द कैट. एंड बफेलो यहाँ पे है. ओके, इस तरह से आपको बुक में मैच करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. Say the names of animals and birds. So let us write the names of animals here and write the names of birds in this column. So पहला क्या है? Animal, a dog. उसके बाद cat. उसके बाद horse also is an animal. What is? A buffalo and a rat. ये क्या है? ये animals हैं. अब birds लिखेंगे. Okay, birds कौन से हैं? Sparrow is a bird. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow is also a bird. Pigeon is a bird. Parrot is also a bird. And hen is also a bird. Okay, so ऐसे आपको आपके बुक में लिखना है. Okay, next is trace these letters. आपको आपके बुक में ये letters trace करने. This is small m, this is small n and this is small r. और इस तरह से ये lesson खत्म हो गया है. I will see you in the next video with another lesson. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Happy Kids Classroom. Thank you.